Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another advent calendar unboxing from the brand LH Cosmetics. This is the Holiday Calendar 2023. This is a new brand to me. They reached out and very generously offered to send their advent calendar for me to review. This is not a sponsored video, but I do want to unbox the whole thing for you because I am intrigued. I love the packaging. I love that it is a whole makeup travel bag, and if I didn't already specify, this is specifically a makeup advent calendar. LH Cosmetics is a makeup brand started by Linda Hallberg, who is a very famous celebrity makeup artist, hairstylist out of Sweden. And I have heard of the brand, but I haven't tried it, so I'm really looking forward to checking this out with you. This retails in the US for $299, but it has an amazing product value of $815. So let's go ahead and dive into this just to give you an up close of the color. It's like this very pretty, kind of like a lavendery gray, like a fog color. And you have on the zipper pulls the LH logo right there. So opening this up, this travel bag opens up completely flat, and I think it doesn't have any dividers. All the individual days are labeled and wrapped individually and numbered. And then the actual bag itself is a really nice quality. It has a zip pocket back here and then two slip pockets. I love this package because I'm all for reusable advent calendars, and this will definitely come in handy. We have a little happy holidays card from the LH Cosmetics team, and let's go ahead and dive right in. Now my version might be a little different. This is the one that I received in PR, but you will get 25 individual days. So I think this one has a few little extras for me to share with you, but oh, okay, it's in order. So, all right, let's start with day one. So here it is. It's a little envelope with the label. Okay, so for day one, we have the LH Cosmetics Shaping Light in the shade Warm Glow. I'll do my best to swatch all of these for you. This is described as a luminous light reflecting cream for radiant and glowy skin, enriched with moisturizing ingredients as well as antioxidants and vitamins. Use as a highlighter, primer, or mix with foundation for illuminating finish. Okay, this sounds like it's right up my alley. I love a luminous finish. I love to mix brightening moisturizers with my foundation or to use as a primer. This is the shade Warm Glow, and this might be available in other colors. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. This feels so nice. It's so nice and hydrating. Okay, no scent. Putting this on my cheeks too. Okay, starting off strong. I really like this. Day two is in here. So this is the LH Cosmetics Velvet Couture Liquid Lipstick in the shade Orange Red. And there it is, Linda Hallberg. Orange Red isn't typically the color I go to. I'm more of a neutrals girl, but this can be very pretty, especially in the summer. This is so pigmented. Let's see if you can sheer it out. Okay, it looks like you can blend it out also if you want. Day three. I love the package. For day three, we have the Interstellar Multi-Use Eyeshadow for eyes, face, and lips. I feel like this might be a liquid highlighter. Very gold, glittery, liquid highlighter. This would be a very pretty lip topper. Oh my gosh, that is very bright, very gold, very reflective. This reminds me of the Stila eyeshadows, like the liquid eyeshadows, glitter eyeshadows. Day four. Day four is the Core Crayon in black. This is the Perfect Smudge and Waterproof Makeup Pencil, bound to no rules. Here is the pencil eyeliner, and it is very black. This is very smooth, very creamy black eyeliner. Day five. Day five is the Infinity Power Lash, and I usually try not to open up too many mascaras, but I really want to see the formula and the wand. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, okay. This reminds me of the, is it NARS? The mascara wand. It's a little bit of a short, stubby bristles. These are the kinds of mascara wands that are good at separating your lashes. Day six. Day six is the Crayon. It's a 24-hour long-lasting and waterproof makeup pencil in the shade Cherry. I will assume this is a lip liner. That is the lip liner. I love the packaging. And I like that they put the color on the end of the pencil. Ooh, that is such a nice color. This looks more like a mauve like a dark pink more than a cherry red. So this is a nice neutral, the kind of color that I would wear. Day 7. And day 7 is, oh, cute. Oh my gosh, this is so smart. It is a pencil sharpener. I think this is the first pencil sharpener I've seen in a makeup advent calendar or any advent calendar. It's so smart to put one in here. I think it makes so much sense, especially when you have so far already 2 pencils. I just think it's always a good idea to include makeup tools in an advent calendar. So I like that they included this. And I like that this contains the pencil shavings until you can get to, I guess, a garbage. Look at that, protects it. So these are nice for travel because it keeps your other makeup from getting dirty. Day 8, ooh. Day 8 is a 2-for-1. We have the Infinity Brow Pen in 2 different shades. We have dark brown and taupe. I feel like taupe might be a little too light for me, so maybe I'll go ahead and save that to give away. But I can definitely use the dark brown brow pen. And this is it, a very sleek, skinny little pen. So you got a little spoolie on one end to shape your brows, and then on the other end you have a very skinny little pencil with an automatic tip. Let's go ahead and see if it'll make like little brow strokes. Feather-like brows. See, look at that. Looks like I have a whole eyebrow growing on my hand. Very nice. Day 9. Oh, this is so nice. We have the little makeup puff. I love this shape. I always see makeup videos using this type of a powder puff because this corner is perfect for getting under your eyes and putting on concealer and under eye setting powder. It's so soft. This is so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Day 10. And for day 10, we have a glazed lip gloss for that juicy and glazed pout in the shade Sugar, which looks like a pinky, kind of a fuchsia color. Ooh, look at that, very glittery, very pink. Oh, I love the applicator, nice chunky doe foot applicator. Okay, very pretty pink. You can sheer it out if it's a little too pink for you. Day 11. For day 11, we have a tube. This is the Matte Attack Primer. Mattifying primer that attacks the oily parts of your face. Apply it, wait for it, and just like that, the oiliness is gone and stays away. Enriched with blurring, moisturizing, and sebum controlling ingredients, as well as protection against pollution and blue light. Use as a base product or top and blotting cream on top of your makeup. Wow, you can use it on top and underneath your makeup for the day. I have to try this out. I'm usually more of a fan of luminous finishes, but I can see the need for matte products, especially in my T-zone. I have a very oily T-zone. Okay, so kind of a silicone base primer. This is very similar to the Smashbox mattifying, I forget the name of it, but it's their matte primer. There it is, right there, mattifying primer. Day 12. For day 12, we have another crayon, and this is in the shade Greige. I love that name. I love that color. This is the pencil. That is the color on the tip. Greige is a very nice neutral, like a dark taupey color. The formula is very creamy and very smooth. This would make a nice eyeliner if you're trying to smoke out an eye, or you can cover your whole eyelid in this. It's very creamy. Day 13. Day 13 is the LH Cosmetics Majestic Luminous Lipstick with buttery texture and balm-like comfort in the shade Cherry. Oh, I love the packaging. This reminds me of the Pat McGrath lipstick packaging. So that slides out like this. Ooh, that's cool. I thought it would be more of a tinted balm, but it's, I guess, just a very creamy lipstick. Okay, that is the shade Cherry. So this is the Cherry lipstick right here in this package, and then the Cherry lip liner. I can see that being a liner for this. Day 14 is right here. Oh, day 14 is a makeup sponge. And we have a very pointy tip on one end and then the rounded bottom. Oh my gosh, even that has a logo. Anyway, usually makeup sponges are meant to be dampened and then it kind of expands a little and it's supposed to help apply your foundation, concealer. But I like that it has this little tip and then it's even flat on one side for more precise application. Day 15. Day 15 is another lipstick, and this is the same Velvet Couture liquid lipstick formula in the shade Nougat. This looks like it might be a very nice neutral shade if you have very fair skin. I think this might be a little too light for me, but this is Nougat. Very light beige, like a little bit of a pinky beige. Okay, this would be good for ombre lips. Day 16 is right here. Day 16, we have the LH Cosmetics Till the End eyeshadow primer. Oh my gosh, I need this so bad. I used to use the Urban Decay, is it All Nighter primer, eyeshadow primer? And then I just kind of stopped. I really haven't been using a lot of eyeshadow primers, maybe because I really don't do a lot of smoky eyes, I don't know. Okay, this is the little eyeshadow primer, and I'm excited to try this. It's got a little foil cap, but I just want to see what the formula is like. I'll put this here. So it's a little white, looks like a lotion primer. Okay, and it's very matte. Oh yeah, I can see the difference it makes in my skin. It makes it very matte, and I can see that it is ready to hold eyeshadows in place all day. Okay, day 17 we have, okay, day 17 came with this little card with a QR code, and it looks like we have a palette, and I love this packaging. It's so cool. It's got a little iridescent finish. This is called the Basic Elements. Okay, this is the palette. You have the same iridescent packaging, and back here says Basic Elements, elementary yet far from ordinary, intense, shiny, and absolutely stunning. A palette inspired by the periodic table with an LH Cosmetics. And then it's got the table of elements. I know that AU is gold, and then copper, and I don't know, silver maybe. Oh, very pretty metallic shadows. Oh my gosh, I have to get in here. Wow, very pretty. You got this like kind of like a greeny gold. This reminds me of the MAC Old Gold eyeshadow. Do you guys remember that? And then we have copper, and then it looks like, I don't know, oh, like a smoky quartz. It looks like a smoky dark silver with a little bit of a lavender shift, and then this is a copper. This is so pretty. Day 18, ooh, 3-in-1 for day 18. We have the Infinity Power Brows Sketch and Sculpt Liquid Liner and Pencil. I feel like this is an eyeliner. We have the shades Blondie and Auburn, and then the Infinity Power Brows Maximum Hold Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Blondie. These are a little, I feel like this might be a little light for me, but that's okay. Let's just open up one of them. So this darker one is the shade Auburn. Ooh, very pretty. Infinity Brow Sketch and Sculpt. We have the liner on the one end. Let's just see. Nice, like a medium brown. Then, ooh, I like this. I guess if you want to do little hair-like strokes with kind of a similar tip of a liquid eyeliner. I think these colors are a little too light for me, but I know just who to gift these to this Christmas. My blonde nieces. I think we'll love these. And then also the Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Blondie. Day 19. Ooh, I love this iridescent packaging. So day 19, we have the Latex Fever High Shine Multi-Use Liquid Lipstick in the shade Wine Latex. Okay, so this is the packaging. You can see the shade in that little window. Okay, I have swatches all over my hand. And, ooh, very shiny. Vinyl. This does look like vinyl. Multi-use liquid lipstick. So I guess you could wear this as a liquid lipstick. You can wear it as a very intense blush and then just kind of sheer it out. Day 20. Day 20, we have another crayon, and ooh, this looks metallic. This is in the shade Zao. This is what the pencil looks like. You can see it is a little metallic-y, kind of like a champagne gold. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love this. I love this formula. And that's the color. Pretty accurate. I love this. Day 21. Day 21, we have another fantastic lipstick. I love the packaging. This looks like it might have been limited edition collections, and then they kind of maybe brought it out for the holiday calendar. But this is it in this little chrome tube. Oh, and the shade is Dye. Is that the shade? Oh, I Die. Oh my gosh. Oh, another orangey red. More orange than red. Oh, okay. More of a coral, like a coral color. Very pretty. Day 22. This is the Duo Dimension in the shade Area. You have these two colors. These are creamy smooth multi-use shadows with luminous metallic shine for cheeks and eyes. So it's a duo palette. I would use this as more of a highlighter for my skin color. That's it, or very pretty eyeshadow. Ooh, very nice. It is slightly metallic, more shimmery, very pretty colors, more like very dusty rose colors. Day 23. We have a blotting powder with Upsolite technology. Oh my gosh, I've heard of this. This is what is used in, I believe it's the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm. It says it's a unique, innovative Swedish ingredient. Upsolite provides a no flashback effect and instantly absorbs excess oil. Basically like a Photoshop on your face. We have the blotting powder. Okay, so it's just one color, like a translucent color. Oh my gosh, I have to try this on my face, but that's it. So it applies, I mean, you can't even see it. It's completely sheer, but it's supposed to absorb your oil, kind of mattify your face a little bit, but without looking so dry and cakey. Okay, I'm very excited about this. Okay, almost to the end. We have day 24. Day 24 is sparkling multi-use shadow and topper for an eye-catching look. So a glittery eyeshadow topper or a lip topper if you want. This is in the shade Blink, which looks like a chrome iridescent. This is, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love how glittery everything is. Okay. Yes, this is definitely similar. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's like an unreal finish. Holy crap. That is so cool. I'm gonna put this on my eyes right now. I love this. It has a blue lavender shift to it. Wow, that is stunning. It's like I'm turning a light on. And then for the 25th and final day, we have what feels like a bottle. And day 25 is the Onset Long Lasting Setting Spray. It's got a white cap and let's see how this sprays out. Oh, it's a very fine mist. Okay. It has a little bit of a scent, but it's a very clean scent. And with this full size Onset Long Lasting Setting Spray for day 25, that is everything that was included in this LH Cosmetics holiday calendar for 2023. I love this advent calendar. I love the mix of neutrals and brights and glitters and shimmers. I love that it was packaged in this makeup bag. This is perfect. It's a huge size and it's perfect for traveling. You have the two little scrunchy pockets on the one side. You have the zip pocket on the other side. Such a great idea to package all the products of the advent calendar inside the makeup bag so you can reuse it throughout the year. But let me know what you guys think of this. Let me know if you are a fan of LH Cosmetics. What are your favorite products to try? This is my first time trying it, but I am a fan. I'm excited to try everything out. I just love these colors. Thank you so much, LH Cosmetics, for sending this to me to review for everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this advent calendar unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.